Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on one of the problems I've had with my Wildwood from Forest River. It's the Wildwood 170 FSX SS, which stands for Super Slide. There have been dozens of problems with this rig. One of the last problems has been replacement of a blind that has had some damage. I had it replaced once at Camping World, and they replaced it with another damaged blind, so they had to order a third blind. So the blind that I have has a metal back, and in order to get at this blind, what I have to do is take this valance down, which is screwed up into the ceiling. It's held by 3 screws. I thought this blind might have some kind of a clip that holds it in place, but that is not the case. Let me show you how this blind is fastened. So in the back bracket there are 3 screws. This is the middle screw, and what I'll have to do is remove those 3 screws first to take this blind down. I can kind of see where they screwed in before, the old holes. I'm going to try to avoid creating a lot of new holes up in that frame. So what I'm doing is marking on the new blind where the old holes were, and I'll pre-drill those. Hopefully I'll hit the old screw holes. These are self-tapping screws, and rather than use those, I'm going to use a 3/16 inch bit with pilot holes. So I'll do 2 more screw holes and then we'll be ready to mount it. So on the adjustments, you have one on the left and right side. The left side is your tensioner that determines how quickly your blind will go up. What I'm going to do is turn this clockwise. And you see clockwise makes it go up faster. And then we'll move to the right side and adjust the blind height. On the right side, if you turn your knob clockwise, that will give you a reveal, as you can see here. If I turn it counterclockwise, that will wind up. I keep turning it a little more. Fully retracts. Now all we have to do is reinstall our valance by putting in 3 screws. Well, that's it for the install. It's not a terribly hard thing, but it's just something you need to know because this doesn't have any clips you have to remove screws, unlike some other blinds. So if you've enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do. And down in the lower left hand corner, you'll see a notification bell. If you hit that bell, you'll see my next video. Again, thanks for stopping by the channel today. We'll see you again.